today we're just going to greet. We're going to greet in American English. Good morning. Good morning. Wasuze otia. Wasuze otia. Good afternoon. Osibye otia. Osibye otia. Then good evening. Good evening in Luganda is Osibye otia. So Luganda takes good afternoon and good evening as Osibye otia. Then you know the response. Bulungi, bulungi, bulungi. Then lastly we have good night. It means sula bulungi. We're gonna do it again. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Good morning. Wasuze otia. Good afternoon. Osibye otia. Good evening or good afternoon. Osibye otia. Then good night.